Hi everybody. This is a clock that I bought maybe 5 or 6 years, something like that. First time I got it, I had a look at it to make sure there was nothing, badly damaged. It was everything alright. I already packed it and I left it there for all those years. And today I thought I might as well get on with it and have a look at it and see what I'm going to do with it, if there's anything for me to fix. So together we're going to see it after all these years, me and you and everybody else. What's the clock look like? There it is. The theme is Hansel and Gretel, and that witch over there. It's a small clock, but beautiful done, I think. Okay, so we change that in there. So I can see there's the chains, there's the whites. Okay, there's the whites. Go Hansel and Gretel on top. Just put it here. There's the pendulum. Put that there. It's just the birdies in there, so that's all right. Plus they send me out a spare birdie. There you are. Look. It's working, good working order. Put that there. And I got the hands for the face they send me. So all I have to do is just put it together, get it going, see if I need to adjust anything in the pendulum, maybe the whites, maybe it to be cleaned out at the back. So yeah. And I will make another film and how are you going, how is the progress is going, and yeah, and I'll see you next time. Thanks very much.